first impression. You OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Greetings, wonderful well-beings. I'm keywellness. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and I appreciate you guys for coming through. Today I just want to talk about my fitness journey. As y'all can see from the title of the video, I wanted to make this like one of the first videos on food and fitness, so y'all know a little more about my fitness journey that I've been on. I don't know what else to call it, because I don't want to call it a weight loss journey. I'm definitely pretty much a lifestyle change journey, healthy lifestyle journey, but yeah, I'm just gonna call it fitness journey for now. So yeah, I wanted to make this one of the first videos, but I didn't, so I really want to get that out there, even though I have old videos on my YouTube channel where you guys can go and see, you know, my little weight loss journey and me trying to, you know, stay on the path of being healthy and fit and stuff. But I kind of wanted to, you know, take it back a little bit before YouTube, and you know what made me want to start on a weight loss fitness journey in the first place. So let's take it all the way back to like elementary. I was picked on for being like chubby when I wasn't really even that big though, because I was just a little chubby, a little chunky. I had started gaining a little weight around the 3rd grade, but I really started getting picked on about it, like, you know, really in middle school, like just being picked on, and I wasn't even that big, you know what I'm saying? I was cute, but you know, bullies, people always gotta find something to pick on you about. Whatever, everybody gotta find one thing to not like about you. That's just life. It's just something we gotta deal with and accept. So that was what happened, and I, you know, became really insecure about my weight and stuff, and yeah, I was still like a little chubby, and it really got bad in high school when I was like, I would say freshman year of high school. I really like gained a lot of weight, and I reached my highest in high school when I was over 220 pounds. I was like really depressed in high school, and yeah, I just ate and didn't really care. So yeah, I went to food for emotional comfort, boredom, just food for everything, you know. I just was in love with food. So really when I started like to actually get serious about health and fitness was like in high school when I was 17. It took a couple years after, you know, freshman year. So when I was 17, I had a next door neighbor, and he was like a personal trainer. He had the little sticker on his car, and I was like, one day I approached him and I just asked him like, how much is it? Like, how much do you charge to train? And like everything like kind of was like, it was perfect, because the gym where he trained was literally right across from my high school, and he was my next door neighbor. So he said he gave discounts for like high school students. So I was paying like $300 a month for him to train me like 3 times a week, and he put me on this like really strict diet that I had to eat 5 times a day. I had to take all my meals to school and everything. Yeah, so yeah, he was taking me to the gym and dropping me right off to school after we trained in the morning, like early in the morning before I went to school. And it was cool, like, you know. I lost 13 pounds the first month, and then like the second month I just fell off. I couldn't do it. The diet was just, he wanted me to be on that diet for like, I don't know how long, months, like eating the same thing every day, 5 times a day, 5 meals a day, like, well, 3 meals a day and like 2 snacks. Yeah. And so yeah, it was just a lot. So I didn't really stick to it then. So yeah, I was 17 at the time. So it didn't really take me until I was on YouTube. I was 19, 20. I think I started YouTube when I was 20. So yeah. So that's when I really started to get serious about my diet and just losing weight and being healthier. So I had got my first apartment when I was 19, and that's really was a big motivator too. I had my own apartment. I was focused on me. I walked to work. I like literally walked to work and walk home. I was focused. I woke up every single morning and went to the gym in my neighborhood. I just walked to the gym and got a workout in. And I also went vegan. No, I didn't go vegan. I went vegetarian. And the reason I went vegetarian is because my mom was trying to get me to go vegetarian forever. And I was like, girl, stop it. It's not happening. She was pescatarian. She still ate fish and stuff. But she was trying to get me to go vegetarian or whatever. And I was just like, I ate pork, beef, chicken, all that. I was like, girl, stop it. And yeah, I'm going to insert some pictures in here actually so y'all can see the little thick, fat face that I had. I'm going to put some pictures in. So yeah, after about 3 months, I think, of my mom going pescatarian, she lost a lot of weight. And my mom already skinny, and she lost a lot of weight just by changing her diet. She didn't work out at all. She just started losing weight, and that really was the motivation. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. It wasn't about the animals. She did, you know, put me on and show me some videos about the animals and, you know, what they go through. That didn't stop me then. But really her losing the weight without having to work out was the motivation for me to go vegetarian. And one day I was already like in a health mind state, you know, wanting to do something, you know, different, you know, having my own apartment. I just felt like I wanted to do something new. I was ready. So cold turkey, I'm telling y'all, cold turkey. And I can't even believe myself, because I went vegetarian cold turkey, like cold turkey. I didn't eat. I'm telling y'all, I ain't about to lie here. I didn't eat any more meat for 2 whole years. I went vegetarian cold turkey one day, and I feel like that really helped with my weight loss, starting my weight loss journey. Because I really do believe it starts with food, and that's what I'm remembering right now while I'm trying to, you know, get it all together. It started with food. It started with me going vegetarian and just my mindset about health, and once I went vegetarian, it's like everything else fell into place. Like that's when I just started working out really hard, and then I made my YouTube channel, and, you know, had the little community of girls, and we was all trying to lose weight together. And I lost 55 pounds in 3 months. 55 pounds in 3 months. I went vegetarian and was working out hard, walking to work, walking home. I was so focused, and I had got so skinny. I'm gonna insert some pictures there. I ain't been that small since I lost that weight. So yeah, I went vegetarian for 2 years, and then I ended up getting pregnant. So yeah, I gained all my weight back, and I started back eating chicken and seafood when I got pregnant. I didn't go back to beef or pork. I haven't ate beef or pork in like 8 years. It's been 8 years since I ate beef or pork. When I went vegetarian and went back to eating chicken and seafood, I decided I don't eat beef or pork. I just didn't eat it, and I just didn't go back to it. So yeah, since then I've just been kind of up and down in my weight. I went vegan for a few months. I fell off. I've been really just trying to be consistent with my health, with a healthy lifestyle, with just working out. I love working out. I love dancing like I do. But just sometimes I just fall off and I don't do any of it, you know. And that's what this segment is about, food and fitness. Just really me getting consistent and serious about my journey, and finally being consistent. I feel like I've never given up. Even though, you know, I would fall off, I would always get back on. And I still never reached, you know, the highest weight again. You know, I've never even, last year, April, I was 198 pounds. I was emotional eating, I was stress eating, and I almost was at 200 pounds again. I have a video on that if y'all go back. It's called Damage Control. And I had almost, I realized that I was about to reach 200 pounds again. And I was like, no, this was last year, last April. And I was like, I'm not about to do it. So I went in and I lost that weight. And so as y'all can see now, I'm like, you know, 30 pounds less than I was last April. Yeah, because I just feel like it's a part of my purpose. It's a part of my path, like healthy lifestyle. Like this is something I'm supposed to do. Like I've been in it for so long, like, and I have to keep doing it until I can get consistent with it. And that's what I'm doing. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That's a little bit about my fitness journey. Did I leave anything out? Yeah, you can go back to my old videos and see, you know, me trying different things. And so yeah, it has been a struggle and a lot of ups and downs, and, you know, falling off and getting back on, but I'm still here and I'm still keep hope alive and just do it. Just stay consistent. And like I used to say in my other videos, ain't no really point in talking about it. Just do it. That's why most of these videos are gonna be me doing it and not really talking about it. So yeah, this is the only video where I'm really just be talking a lot about it. But other than that, it's gonna be all action, you know, food and fitness. And hope you guys enjoyed my grocery haul. And thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. And you already know, we win in wellness. Keep your crowns on. Put your crowns on and keep your crowns on, because we winning over here. You dig? Alright, you guys take care of yourself. Peace.